Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Zonked. Emily and Ryan are friends. They're camping and doing different activities. I really love nature, but we're doing so much stuff. Yeah, that hike was really something. The view at the top was worth it, but it really wore me out. I know what you mean. Between the early start and all that climbing, I'm beat. And we still have to pack up the campsite. I just want to collapse into bed right now. Same here, Ryan. I think by 6 or 7 p.m., I'll be totally zonked. You and me both. Quiz time. What does zonked mean? Extremely tired, annoyed, excited, curious. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A, extremely tired. Teaching moment. When someone is zonked, it means they're extremely tired. Here, this word is an adjective, but we can also use the phrasal verb to zonk out, which means to fall asleep very quickly due to exhaustion. It's not a formal word. We use it with friends or family. Examples. After a long day at work, I usually come home completely zonked. The kids were zonked after their day at the amusement park. I zonked out last night while studying for the test. The travelers were zonked when they finally arrived at their destination. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. It was really something. It was amazing. Wore me out. Made me very tired. I'm beat. I'm very tired. Pack up. Pack completely. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.